Number 1. Grim, meaning serious, distressing, or worrying. Synonyms: harsh, severe, somber. Antonyms: cheerful, bright, hopeful. Explanation: refers to the troubling footage of the Boeing crash. Number 2. De-radicalization, meaning the process of convincing someone to abandon extremist views. Synonyms: rehabilitation, reformation. Antonyms: radicalization. Explanation: programs aimed at reducing extremist ideology have shown results. Number 3. Fleet, meaning a group of aircraft or ships. Synonyms: armada, convoy, squadron. Antonyms: individual, single unit. Explanation: refers to airline fleets. Number 4. Environs, meaning surrounding area or environment. Synonyms: vicinity, surroundings, locale. Antonyms: interior, center, core. Explanation: the area around Muan Airport. Number 5. Crippled, meaning severely damaged or disabled. Synonyms: handicapped, impaired, damaged. Antonyms: intact, operational, functional. Explanation: describes the aircraft condition post crash. Number 6. Hurtle, meaning to move swiftly and uncontrollably. Synonyms: rush, dash, bolt. Antonyms: saunter, crawl, amble. Explanation: the aircraft's movement on the runway. Number 7. Task force, meaning a group organized to accomplish a specific objective. Synonyms: committee, team, unit. Antonyms: individual, solo effort. Explanation: set up by the South Korean president to address the crash. Number 8. Exile, meaning being forced to live away from one's home country. Synonyms: banishment, expulsion. Antonyms: return, homecoming. Explanation: Sheikh Hasina previously lived in exile in India. Number 9. Silo, meaning to isolate or separate something. Synonyms: compartmentalize, segregate. Antonyms: integrate, unify. Explanation: the article suggests handling the extradition issue in a diplomatic silo apart from other ties. Number 10. Entail, meaning to involve or cause something as a necessary consequence. Synonyms: require, necessitate, involve. Antonyms: exclude, prevent, avoid. Explanation: describes the potential harm caused by interference. Number 11. Tug of war, meaning a struggle for power or control between opposing parties. Synonyms: struggle, conflict, competition. Antonyms: harmony, cooperation, agreement. Explanation: highlights the political conflict between factions in Georgia. Number 12. Legitimacy, meaning conformity to laws or rules. Synonyms: validity, legality. Antonyms: illegitimacy, unlawfulness. Explanation: refers to the legitimate demands of farmers. Number 13. Strife, meaning angry or bitter disagreement over fundamental issues. Synonyms: conflict, discord. Antonyms: peace, accord. Explanation: used to describe the continuing unrest in the state. Number 14. Restitute, meaning restore to a previous state or position. Synonyms: reinstate, restore. Antonyms: remove, destroy. Explanation: restoring relationships to a peaceful state. Number 15. Sanguine, meaning optimistic or positive, especially in a difficult situation. Synonyms: hopeful, confident. Antonyms: pessimistic, gloomy. Explanation: the Home Ministry's overly positive outlook on the situation. Number 16. Skirmishes, meaning small fights or disputes. Synonyms: clashes, scuffles. Antonyms: peace, calm. Explanation: small scale conflicts that occur sporadically. Number 17. Portray, meaning to depict or represent something. Synonyms: depict, illustrate. Antonyms: conceal, distort. Explanation: the government's efforts to depict a false sense of success. Number 18. Beleaguered, meaning troubled or besieged. Synonyms: harassed, under siege. Antonyms: calm, secure. Explanation: describes the chief minister's pressured state. Number 19. Influx, meaning an arrival or entry of large numbers of people. Synonyms: inflow, arrival. Antonyms: outflow, departure. Explanation: refers to refugees entering India from Myanmar. Number 20. Pervasive, meaning spreading widely through an area or group. Synonyms: widespread, omnipresent. Antonyms: localized, limited. Explanation: describes the widespread nature of ethnic tensions. Number 21. Ultimatum, meaning a final demand or statement of terms. Synonyms: demand, warning. Antonyms: suggestion, request. Explanation: refers to the Supreme Court's directive to the Punjab government. Number 22. Foothold, meaning a secure position from which further progress can be made. Synonyms: stronghold, base, support. Antonyms: weakness, instability. Explanation: the text refers to preventing the Islamic State from regaining a secure position in West Asia. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If this video added value to your day, see you next time with more exciting content. Your support keeps us motivated.